Hemoglobins, normal range 14 to 18 gram percentage for male and 12 to 16 gram percentage for females. If hemoglobin values are increased, there is a chances of COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease was formed or occurs or seen generally, and CHF, that is congestive heart failures. If other side, if decrease the hemoglobin in our body, there is a formation of anemia. Anemic condition was formed. There is a loss of blood in our body. There is chances of liver disease as well as formation of leukemia and lymphoma. These are the blood related diseases. Leukemia or lymphoma, there may be chances if the hemoglobin decrease. Hemoglobin value in male as well as female was decreased. Next, blood related parameter, that is RBC. RBC nothing but it's a red blood cells counting. Generally, these RBCs are the involved in the transportations and exchange of the oxygen present in the body and to transfer the or supply of the oxygen to the respective part of our body. Here, the measurement of the RBC is monitored by the effect of blood loss and progression of the chronic disease. Generally, the ranges of the RBC counts are for male 4.5 to 5.5 million cells per cubic of blood for male adult male. For female, the range is 3.5 to 5.5 million cells per cubic cent per cubic millimeter of bloods. If children are counted their RBC, they are in between 4 to 5.5 million cells per cubic millimeter of bloods. These are the ranges, normal ranges of RBC counts, that is 4.5 to 5.5 for male, for female 3.5 to 5.5, and for children's 4 to 5.5. Their significance is related to the RBC counts. If RBC count was or RBC count values are increases, there is a chances of anxiety and stress, bone marrow, depressions or failures, and chances of dehydrations. If RBC value was increased in our body, there is chances particular patients or particular persons suffer from the stress like conditions majorly while RBC was increased. So this normal range should be effective for the normal behavior of particular persons. If any changes, there is a you have to observe the stress over particular persons. Opposite to increased level, that is the decreased level of RBC, if we found there is a chances of inflammatory disease, that is chronic inflammatory disease was forms. Some RBC related problem, that is anemia, or maybe chances of cancers, blood cancers like that. There is a chances of blood loss if RBC value was decreased from the normal range. These are the normal range. Above range are the normal range, male, female, and for children. Opposite to red blood cells, there are another blood cells available in our bloods, that is WBC. That is white blood cell count. Another name for WBC are the leukocytes, leukocyte count. Someone called as leukocytes count. Some are called as WBC counts. Majorly, the common terms are short forms are used. That is WBC counts. The normal range is 4,500 to 11,000 cells per cubic or millimeter of bloods should be the normal range. If the range is higher, there is chances of leukemia polycythemia, and other infection was produced if the WBC values are higher sides, more than 11,000 cells per millimeter cubes, then chances of leukemia, blood related cancer, polycythemia, there is a loss of WBC, polycythemia, and there is some infection was occurred by a particular disease. If infection is increases, there is a chances of WBC increases value. If WBC value is lower, then there is a bone marrow depressions, aplastic anemia like conditions was observed. Various drug interactions, various drug reactions, viral infections may be occur if the WBC count was lower than this normal range. These are the diseases was formed if higher side or lower side of the WBC. Another examination related to WBC, that is DLC, that is differential WBC count, generally called physician seal. While testing that particular test, you have to go with the DLC test. DLC says nothing but it's a given detail about the WBC's cells in the form of neutrophil, basophils, eosinophils, like that, lymphocytes. Here, in the complete differential white blood cell counts, in that first is neutrophil counts. Their neutrophils are immature, then they are called as band values. If the neutrophils are the mature ones, they are recognized as a SEG values. If immature neutrophils present in the blood, WBC, the range is 2 to 3%, while SEG value mature percentage of the neutrophils are 50 to 60%. These are the normal range for the neutrophils. If these band values, if high band value means immature neutrophils are higher sides, then there is a chances of acute infections. If these band values are lower side, then there is a formation of bone marrow depressions may be indicated. If seg value means if the mature neutrophils are in higher sites, then it indicates AML drugs or poison intoxications. While matured neutrophils are in lower side, means below 50%, then it indicate that the various condition like aplastic anemia and malignant neutropenia may be formed. Due to this, seg values are lower than the normal range, 50 to 60 degree for neutrophils. Seg value, it is related for the normal matured neutrophils, whereas band value represent for the immature neutrophils. Then the differential count of WBC after neutrophils, that is the second segment is basophils. The normal range of basophil is 0 to 1%. The difference, if higher values means more than 1% basophil is present in the bloods counting, then there is chances of myeloproliferative disease. If lower the basophil values, there is chances of anaphylactic shocks or anaphylactic reactions. These are the happening with the basophil normal range if higher or lower. The next segment of WBC count is eosinophils. The normal range for eosinophils are 0 to 5%. If this ranges goes to higher sides of eosinophils, there is formation of allergic like infections. Allergics or parasitic infection may occurs if eosinophils are goes higher. These are the indications or interpretations if basophil, eosinophils, neutrophils are changes their valuations. These are the called as interpretation of the lab test. They given the particular lab test you have to see, they are given along with their normal ranges, along with which type of methods are used for the detections of particular samples. If eosinophils are lowers the values, there is chances of aplastic anemia, and patients on cortisone therapies. If you have to find the eosinophils near to 0%. Next count in WBC, that is lymphocytes. The general normal value for the lymphocytes are 30 to 40%. If higher side, the lymphocyte present in the bloods, there is a lymphatic leukemia was forms or formation of chronic or viral infections may occurs, may indicate. सगळ्यालाच होईल असं नाही, पण there is a chances, may indications, some indications if the higher values goes more than this normal values. If low, they goes with the lower values less than the 30 for lymphocytes, there is a formation of maybe formation or indications for aplastic anemia or myelogenic leukemia. There will be chances. Another WBC count is monocytes. The normal range of monocyte is 3 to 7%. If they observe higher side, there is a maybe chances of monocytic leukemia, Hodgkin disease maybe occurs. If the lower values monocytics, there is chances of aplastic anemia. These are related with the WBC counts. Eosinophils, neutrophils, basocytes, monocytes, and lymphocytes. Then blood related another interpretation, that is mean cell value, that is MCV, the ratio of hematocrit RBC count expressed in micrometer cubic, cubic micrometers. They are represented in cubic micrometers, and the normal range of RBC in this MCV mean cell volumes, that is 82 to 92 per cubic micrometer. Again, these MCV values are on the basis of their anemic conditions. Normocytic anemia, there is a range is 82 to 92. Microcytic anemia in MCV cell volumes, mean cell volumes 50 to 80 per cubic micrometer. Microcytics, if higher side of this normal range, then they are called as macrocytic anemia. Normocytics anemia, these are the normal conditions, normal values of the RBC described in the form of MCV. If values are more or higher side, then it is called as macrocytic anemia. If values are lesser than the 82, then it is called as microcytic anemia. Then another examinations of blood, that is MCH, mean cell hemoglobins. Again, same like hemoglobin, you have to express here in the form of picograms, PCG. The normal range is 27 to 31 picograms. If normal range are higher side, then it is called as macrocytic anemia. The range for this hemoglobin is 30 to 50 picograms. If lesser than the normal values, that is called as microcytic anemia. Like condition was occur, and the normal range is 50 to 25 picograms. Whatever the valuations, whatever the figures of normal range, higher values and lower values, along with their indications, maybe indicate so and so disease or suffer from so and so disease. That things you have to remember for these topics major. And next one is related with the erythrocytes. आतापर्यंत झालं lymphocytes, that is leukocyte, that is WBC, RBC. Next part is erythrocyte, that is erythrocyte sedimentation rate, that is ESR. Short form is ESR valuations or sedimentation rate for our blood. For the normal ranges for ESR values for male less than 50 years, then their value is less than 15 millimeter per hours. There is a this type of test you have to see in your practicals also in HAP, or you have to see in video. There is a sedimentation rates. They are called near about you have to collect the particular volume of bloods in the sedimentation tube and place for 1 hour minimum. Whatever the sedimentation means, sediment the particular bloods at particular 1 hours. How many millimeters? Up to how many millimeters particular bloods are sediment in sedimentation tubes in particular 1 hours. For men less than or male less than 50 years, their sedimentation rate is less than 50 per hours. For in women's less than 20 per hours. If the male's age is more than 50 years, then their sedimentation rate is less than 20 millimeter per hours. If any females greater than 50 years, their sedimentation range normal value is less than 30 per hours. Here, the interpretation of the ESR tables, you have to find out if raised ESR means as per the normal values, these are the normal values as per the ages. If increases, there is a chances of this type of disease: tuberculosis, SAB, acute myocardial infarctions, septic shock, anemia, newborn, or infants, like that. If raise ESR to the particular male or females, if lower the ESR values, then there is a maybe chances of polycythemia, saprophytes, sickle cell anemia, CHF formations may be occurs, anemia for newborn infants. Like conditions was observed if ESR values are raised or decrease or lowers than the normal range. Next blood examination related, that is bleeding times. All of you do the practicals bleeding time and clotting time in human anatomy and physiology. The normal range of bleeding time is 2 to 7 minutes. Means within 2 minutes, after 2 minutes, and within 7 minutes, particular bleeding, whatever the bleedings are stopped. If more than that, there is a chances of abnormalities. There is a deficiency of clotting factors. Then, if deficiency, there is a chances of anticoagulation drugs should be given to the particular patients. If the normal bleeding times are more, any clotting factor deficiency or platelet abnormality was occur if increase the bleeding times more than 7 minutes. Next examination related with the blood or hematology, that is clotting times. Generally, the normal clotting time is 4 to 15 minutes. This is a major time required for the formation of first clot. All of you do the practicals in HAP. Prick your fingers with the help of needles, septic needles, and when bloods are come out from our body, you have to take the one capillary and insert the blood into the capillary by capillary actions. Once the inserted particular bloods from our body into the capillary, every 15 seconds you have to check whether it is uh, clot or not. So that time, the normal time is 4 to 15. If any deficiency, there is a deficiency of clotting factor, that is majorly vitamin K is the responsible for the coagulation of particular drugs. And lastly, the platelet count. The normal platelet count is 1 lakh 50,000 to 4 lakh 50,000 platelet per cubic millimeter of bloods. If you heard one of the disease, that is dengue, if platelet are less than the 1.5, there is a chances of dengue. After biting of mosquito, there is a chances of dengue. In Latur region, the cases of dengue are higher side than the other cities. There is one of the indications, if you go with the CBC complete blood count, then firstly doctor see the platelet count. If platelet count is less than 1 lakh or less than 1.5, there is a maybe chances of indication of dengue like fevers. So in that conditions, the platelet should be always higher to the 1.5 lakhs per uh, cubic millimeters. If platelet was increased, then the condition like inflammation maybe occurs. Which type of inflammation? Acute inflammations, trauma-like conditions should be happens. If decrease the platelet values, means less than 1.5. One is the I have to already told, that is dengue-like identification on the basis of this platelet count. If this platelet was decreased, if you see, then there is a chances of alcoholic toxicity, anemic conditions, blood loss like conditions may be occurs, maybe coagulation disorders. Due to disorders, there is a platelet may be decreased or depleted. These are the uh, blood related examination, platelet examinations, clotting times, bleeding times, ESR valuations, mean cell hemoglobins, mean cell volumes, in differential WBC count, monocyte count, lymphocyte, eosinophils, basophils, and neutrophils. These are the differential WBC counts, normal WBC counts, RBC counts, and hemoglobin count. These are the complete of blood examinations. So this part today we have to stop here with the why it is necessary lab test along with the blood chemistry and hematology. Tomorrow lectures, next lectures, we have to see with the urine examinations. All of you, these values you have to remember, because these values are essential for if MCQ type question papers asked by the university, then these values are more important, accurate one. So all of you, what will happens if higher or lower side with this normal value identified. ठीक है